Welcome to Elliott's Tech Connect. Troubleshooting supplies for a CD800 card printer. Installing a ribbon on a CD800. To install a CD800 ribbon, you'll need the ribbon cartridge, which will either have a gray and blue core on the unit or two black cores, depending on the age of the printer. Take the ribbon cartridge and place the small end of the ribbon with the gray top onto the front ribbon core until it clicks. Then place the full ribbon spindle on the backside core. Be sure to place the spindles on the correct core and never force it onto the cartridge, which may cause the gray cap to fall off and void your warranty. Remove the cleaning roller, pop out the spindle inside, and place the spindle onto the new roller. Press the new cleaning roller into the cartridge until you hear it click. Then pull the protective cover off the roller and discard. Repair a ribbon break on a CD800. If your ribbon breaks, you can easily repair it by reconnecting both sides of the ribbon using a piece of tape. Simply roll the excess film on the take-up side. Adhere a piece of tape to the unused ribbon side. Line up the edges of the ribbon to the take-up roll. Then press down to connect the two. Advance the ribbon on the roller a few panels so the tape is completely covered on the take-up side. Clean the thermal printhead of a CD800. To clean the printhead, you may use either an alcohol cleaning swab or a thermal printer cleaning pen. If you're using the cleaning swab, lightly wipe the black edge of the printhead a few times. Flip the cleaning swab over and repeat. If you're using the cleaning pen, pull the cap off and rub the black edge of the printhead with the tip of the pen 4 or 5 times. CD800 102 error, card stuck in printer. When you see a 102 error, it means you need to remove a card stuck inside the printer. Press the button on the top of the printer to release the cover and remove the ribbon cartridge. Identify the location of the card stuck inside the printer. Use the dial on the side of the machine to rotate the card forward until the card advances to the front hopper and the printer rejects the card. For technical assistance, contact Elliott using our toll-free number or visit us online to submit a service ticket.